Hello, educators. My name is Nathaniel Heading. I am a high school math teacher in Ohio, and I wanted to share with you a very easy way to collaborate with your coworkers on Google Docs. Now, at this point in the Google EDU rollout, you probably already know how to use Google Docs and how to share them with others. And those features, hopefully, you know by now. If not, there are plenty of things on the internet that you can learn how to do that. What I'm going to show you is a very quick and easy way to assign tasks to people you're working with. Now, if you're like me, you are part of a teaching team, meaning there are more than one person teaching the same prep as you. And right now, since we're going to an online version, you may want to use the same lesson plan so that way you're all consistent through all of your classes. So, what you can do is inside of your shared Google Doc is assign tasks to different people. That way, everyone can come away from a meeting knowing what they're going to do. So, here I have an example, and it's really simple to do. So this is a sample lesson plan. So we've got the class schedule, date, topic, tasks, etc. Now some of these tasks are already filled in. We've got links and whatnot, but we don't have anything for this assignment right here. See how we have a TBD? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to assign that task to a person. And so just for demonstration's sake, I'm going to assign it to myself. So all you have to do is highlight what you want and then insert a comment. Now, again, if you've used Google before, this is nothing new. However, here's what's kind of neat. What you're going to do is you're going to start typing in an email address. And so you see, as soon as I hit the at button, my email address pops up for school. So you can find my school email address. And then this other feature that says assign to you comes up. Now, it will also say like assign to this person or just assign. So you click that and hit assign. And so now you see Google Docs says this is assigned to you, or it'll say assigned to somebody else, and it also notifies them via email. So here's what that looks like. So when you get an email from Google Docs saying this is what you're supposed to do, it'll have a list and it'll say in this document, here are these action items. And so I can see the line where I was assigned. Now this is for a different class, not the one I just did. And it has the comment. It says edit down and add such and such with my name. And here's the other assignment I had was this writing task. It falls under Monday. Here's what you're supposed to do. So this was a very simple way to collaborate with my coworkers. We had a meeting with 5 other people and we added assignments. That way everyone knew coming away from that meeting what they're going to be working with. So best of luck in your e-learning adventures, and I hope you can use this to your advantage. Bye.